Hello everyone, I'm Nurul Andriani. Here I will bring you the news about the closure of the airport in East Java due to the eruption of Mount Rong. Banyuwangi Airport in East Java Province on Sunday was temporarily closed due to volcanic ash from the eruption of Mount Rong because it posed a risk to flight safety. We have received a notice to Airmen or Notam from Airnav Indonesia for the closure of Banyuwangi Airport today. Jean Asmoro, Executive General Manager of State-owned Airport Operator PT Angkasa Pura II or Prasarus Banyuwangi Airport chapter in a statement here on Sunday. Based on observation carried out by the Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics Agency or BMKG, Mount Rong volcanic ash had reached Banyuwangi Airport. Data from BMKG showed that the direction of the volcanic ash in toward the east, which means to the airport area. Based on the paper test, is positive. So we report this to the Surabaya Airport Authority Region 3, and later a decision was made that our airport has to be closed starting at 1 this morning, he said. Jean Asmoro said on early Sunday, Banyuwangi Airport was still operating and the airport was still serving Citylink commercial aircraft flights from Surabaya and continued to Denpasar, as well as Citylink serving the Jakarta-Banyuwangi route. 3 commercial airlines Garuda Indonesia, Batik Air, and Citylink canceled their operation at Banyuwangi Airport on Sunday. The Banyuwangi Airport Authority waited for the development of the volcanic ash from Mount Rong to decide whether the airport closure will be extended until Monday or not. In addition to Mount Rong, at present Mount Merapi, located between Central Java and Yogyakarta, and Mount Semeru in East Java, are also erupting and trigger volcanic ash rains covering several flats. So much for today's news. Thank you for listening and arriving. Goodbye everyone.